Did you know RIVA Motorsports is a licensed dealer and installer for the Seakeeper Ride system? So what is the Seakeeper Ride system? It's a revolutionary new stabilization system that can pull up to 70% of pitch and roll out of your ride while you're underway. But you know what they say, seeing is believing, and our technician is about to wrap up the install. So we're gonna take this Yamaha 255 FSH with the Seakeeper Ride out to the water and put this thing to the test. Today is not a particularly treacherous day, so we're gonna recreate some conditions by doing what's called a listing test and shifting our weight around the boat left to right with the system off and then turning the system on to see how it responds. When the Seakeeper Ride system is engaged, we have a lot more control when launching the boat from a standstill. When the system is off, you can also tell that we have a significant amount of bow rise and the backing gets a little bit more squirrely. So as you can see, the Seakeeper Ride system makes a significant difference in both bow rise and list when underway. RIVA Motorsports is your one-stop shop for both purchase and install in South Florida. Reach out to our service center and schedule your appointment so you can get yours on your boat today.